In this video, you will learn how to create a guest account in Windows 11. So let's get started. First, click on the Windows icon and go to Settings. On the Settings page, click on Accounts, then select the Other Users option. Now, click on Add Account. Windows will ask you to sign in or create a Microsoft account. Instead, click on I don't have this person's sign-in information. Then select Add a user without a Microsoft account. Now comes the important step. Name your guest account. For example, I will name it GRT User. You can also set a login password if you want. After that, click Next. You will now see that the account has been created. Next, we will add some restrictions to this newly created guest account. Go to the Windows search bar, type Computer Management, and open it. In Computer Management, click on System Tools, then select Local Users and Groups. After that, click on Groups and then double-click on Guests. Click on the Add option, type your guest account name in the box, and then click on Check Names. Once the account name is verified, click OK to add it to the guests group. That's it. This is how you can create and set up a guest account in Windows 11. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe.